my channel. Danielle here, and today we are going to be opening up a mystery bundle. It took a whole 24 days for me to receive this bundle from, as you can tell from the title, LYN. Before we get started and before we even open up this bundle, I want to talk about how you guys have brought to my attention that there are a few controversial issues with LYN. But this channel is not a tea spilling one, so I'm not going to be bad-mouthing, giving my opinions on these issues. If you're interested in all this cheesemate, you can easily just Google it up. What we're doing today is critiquing the experience and quality of this mystery bundle. So let's talk about this bundle, because tell me why I thought LYN was located in New York. So when I was buying it, I paid $30 for shipping. You guys, she's actually in Canada. I saw one of her recent videos and she is now relocating to New York, but Jesus Christ, this is my very first personalized mystery bundle, but it was $115 for the bundle and then I paid $30 for shipping, and I wrote down on a sticky note what I should be getting. So pretty much for the $115, a bundle comes with 2 tops, a pair of bottoms, a bag, 2 jewelry items, 2 hair accessories, Y2K candy, and mystery goodies. That's pretty exciting. It seems like a lot in this tiny little bundle, so we'll see what everything looks like. Before she gets pulling on any items, she does ask for a few things. So she asks for your measurements, the style that you want to reflect, 3 likes, 3 dislikes, and then she also asks for your Instagram and your Depop. So I'm assuming she draws inspiration from your descriptions and also from your Instagram and your Depop and the type of, style you seem to vibe with. For the style that I wanted to reflect, I pretty much told her that I don't have a specific style and that I love color and I love patterns, but I trust her with any pieces that she pulls. 3 dislikes, I did ask for no low rise, for no plunging necklines for my little A-cup babies, and no dark colors, because you guys know I'm all about the vibrant and bold colors. The 3 likes, I did mention that I like corsets, I like color, and vinyl or leather. And then lastly, for my Instagram and Depop, I am an Eggie girl, and then Depop is twin L. So that pretty much does it. That's all the information she had. So like I had mentioned, I paid $145 for this bundle, and it took 24 days to get to me. So let's get this over with and let's open it up. Okay, so let's just go ahead and take a look at the bundle. It's just black. It seems like it's pretty secure and safe packaging. Only when I did receive it, it did kind of have a hole, so I think that's the card that I see. But let's just open this baby up. Maybe I should open it from the side so you guys can see the colors. Okay, that was pretty simple. Let's see. Ooh, I kind of saw a dark color already, so this is what it looks like. I don't really know what I'm looking at, but right off the bat, I did ask for no dark colors, and I'm already seeing this, what maybe like a black color. So let's pull this stuff out. Let's see what everything looks like. Ooh, okay. So she did just slip everything in there. We have a little card here. Very cute. It's just a butterfly. It says keep dreaming, and some like Asian characters, not sure. It says, thank you so much for shopping with me. I hope you have an amazing day and love your purchase. Super cute. Okay, let's see what the first thing is. We'll leave the clothes for last. We'll just start at the very top. So the first thing I see is this cute little pouch, and it has all the goodies and stickers and candy. So let's see. I'll just dump it right here. Oh. Let's see, Pampered Girls. A little keychain that says princess. That's pretty cute, very Y2K. It's definitely on trend. Oh my god, she included Sailor Moon stickers. That is so freaking cute. Oh, I love the Sailor Scouts. So I got these stickers. These are actually perfect. I'll probably be using these for sure. I'm a sucker for any anime related things. Let's see what else we've got. More stickers, so expect a ton of stickers. We have the sticker that says, if you can read it this close, you're too close. That is like perfect for the pandemic right now. We've got this little smiley sticker face, and then this cute little bear. Okay, I don't know what I would use stickers for. I'm not much of a sticker person. The Sailor Moon ones I'm probably sure, but the other ones, not too sure about. Ooh, we got some really cute earrings, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'll definitely be using these. There's this really cute little butterfly ones. I'll have little close-up shots because these are super small, but oh my god, those are super cute. I definitely see myself wearing these. Sometimes I wish I had a second piercing on my ear, but I'm so freaking scared to get them pierced again. Oh, here's another little Sailor Moon sticker. Love that. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's a little Playboy bunny in a heart necklace. Oops, can you guys see that? That's super cute. I love that. And it's silver, so it could literally go with just about anything. And what is this? Is this a headband? Fashion accessory. Yeah, I think this might be the headband. Very stretchy. Okay, I was a little concerned because it did look pretty small, but it stretches out pretty wide. Okay, love that. And then what is this? A pen? A pencil? What is this? I don't know what this is. I think, so it looks like a pen. It has like this leopard print. The top does have a pink little jewel, which is so freaking cute. And I pulled off the cap, and it does seem to have like a ballpoint, but nothing is writing out. I don't know if it's a pen or pencil. It's not writing. Okay, either way, I mean, it's kind of cute. I'll show you guys a close-up of that later. We have little hair clips. They're just metal, nothing too special about these. But I mean, for a little metal look, I think that's pretty cute. Yeah, those are adorable. I could definitely be using those. Love that. So that pretty much does it for all the accessories. I got a total of 13 things, so that's kind of a lot. So here's a close-up of all the little knickknacks and stickers that I got. I'm so happy that necklace is Smarties because the other ones that I used to eat as a kid are nasty as hell and taste like chalk. So really excited. And I love all the Sailor Moon ones. Oh, so freaking cute. Off to our handbag. We have this really like straw woven bag. It's pretty cute. Again, it's a dark color. So it wasn't necessarily what I asked for because I did ask for more brighter things. But I mean, it's still cute. I do see myself wearing this. And it's orange. Orange is one of my favorite colors too, so love that. And it's really summery too, even though it is dark, so that's pretty cute. I actually really like that. We have a halter neck. I've been vibing with halter necks lately, so love that. And it is this top right here. That's pretty cute. It's just a gingham print on the front that's in orange. The back is just white. It's a knit construction, a self-tie halter neck. So here's the part where we kind of run into an issue because I asked for no dark colors and the next two pieces are totally dark. But let's see what we've got here. I did mention that I like corsets and it kind of has like a corset vibe to it. So the front has hook and eye closures that go to the very bottom there. And it does have this like metallic floral detailing throughout, which I think is kind of cute. And the sleeves are sheer construction. You guys know I'm a sucker for anything that is sheer. I feel like you can have a really flirty look just by wearing it on your shoulders. Oh, I love that. Oh, this next piece, I don't know if I'm a fan of it. Let's see. Okay, that's pretty cute, but these look a little short. What I'm looking at are these pants right here. Kind of have a trouser look to them. They have the 3 buttons here on the side, which is pretty cute. I did ask for no low rise. This rise doesn't seem to be very high. If anything, it might be a mid. It does seem to have a little bit of stretch to it, so that's nice. And it does go out into a flared leg. These look like they might fit a little cropped, so I really hope they fit me. But if anything, I could always wear them with like some mules or sandals. So that was my last item. So let's try on these fits and then I'll give my thoughts afterwards. Okay, so here's the first fit. You know, I do kind of like it. I like the top halter neck. I think it's super cute, very stretchy. While I was putting it on, I just realized that it's actually Versace Sport. I'm not one to care about like designer brands, but I thought that was pretty considerate to put into a box, so love that. But it's just this gingham halter top, love it. And then the back, just an open back. So here's a closer look at the top. You can see that it's just a gingham print in this orange color, which orange is one of my faves, so absolutely love that. Paired it with the silver jewelry. And then you guys, this I would consider more of a plunging neck. It is a surplice, but it's pretty dang low. So that was one of my dislikes, sadly. These pants, y'all. Let's talk about these pants because good thing is that they're not low rise, so they are pretty high-waisted. The only thing is that they are pretty high water-ish. And I don't really like high water or crop pants on me. I just don't think it looks very flattering. I thought I would be able to salvage it with a mule, but it looks a little funny, so I'm not really feeling it. But we got the bag that also has a little hint of orange to draw it out from the shirt. So I thought that was pretty cute. But I low-key just kind of get like mom vibes from this, you know? Like, I feel cute, but like a cute mom, you know? But yeah, it's a very casual fit. I think it's cute. I think once you play it up with all the accessories, then it kind of just, you know, it pulls together. So this is what I have on. I have the necklace on, I have the little butterfly studs, the little hair clips, and I like that I have the little orange streaks in my hair to pull out from the shirt too. So cute. So like overall, I like this fit. Just the pants, y'all. The pants are not doing it for me. Way too cropped. But the top I do see myself wearing regularly, and it's hot right now in Los Angeles, so I'll definitely be wearing this often. So now let's move on to the second outfit. Okay, y'all, so this is the second outfit, again, playing with that Y2K style. So I've got the corset top on, and I really like it. It's super flattering. It kind of sucks because I did ask for color, yet I am from head to toe in all black, a dark color. Honestly, if these pants were just a smidge longer, if I just had a little bit more inch on them, it'd be so freaking cute. But I'm overall like super comfortable. The pants are very stretchy. The top is really cute, but the straps or the sleeves are a little bit loose. Like the cut of the armholes are a little big. So I have no choice but to wear just a little bit on my shoulders, but it's okay. It adds a very like sexy, flirty look. I did wear all the jewelry, but I included the white headband that she also had in there. So like, not too bad, looks really cute actually. But I'll take you guys a bit closer so you can see this top. You can see it has that corset style. The front hook and eye detail is actually just a detail. It doesn't open, so I just slipped it right on over my head. The sleeves are sheer construction. You guys already know I love that. And then if I come a little closer, you guys can see the like metal floral detailing all throughout. I like those tops. I'm not a fan of these pants, but I think I felt a lot cuter in the first outfit. So let's get this off, back into my normal clothes, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, y'all, let's talk about my final thoughts about this box. First of all, I want to say this was a really fun experience. This is my very first personalized mystery box, and it was pretty fun. But I do feel like the $115 for the box for 3 items was a little pricey on my end, but you guys know that I am pretty much a cheapskate. I only spend like a certain dollar amount on tops and bottoms for myself, so this was really stepping out of my budget. Let's move into cons, because she did ask for 3 of my dislikes, which I said were plunging necklines, dark colors, and low-rise pants. She pretty much gave me 2 of the 3 dislikes, so that was a little disappointing just because I was expecting vibrant colors or patterns. As far as my likes, I mentioned that I wanted bright colors, I like vinyl or leather, and I like corsets. She did, again, give me 2 of those 3 things, which the leather vinyl thing is pretty understandable. I know she thrifts when she goes out to source, and that's a little tricky to find. The vibrant colors she did give me with the halter neck, and then the corset she gave me with the other top, which isn't really a corset, but it has that corset like style and vibe to it, so pretty happy with that. I love these 2 tops, super trendy, and they are practical because I would wear these just about any day. The only disappointing item, these pants, y'all. I'm only 5'3", so it's hard to believe that these fit me as high waters. It doesn't even really look cropped, it just looks like they don't fit me. And I thought I would be able to save it with a mule, but it just really wasn't translating, so that was a little disappointing. So it doesn't fit me, and it's also a black color, but if they just had a few inches on them, like I said, they would work out pretty well. And then let's talk about the bag. The bag is pretty cute. This does give me a little bit of a bohemian style because it is straw woven construction. That's not really my style, but I do like the little contrast flower detail. But even though I wouldn't necessarily be attracted to this at a store, I'm still gonna wear it because it's fairly cute. But if I were to rate this box on a scale of 1 through 10, 10 being like super freaking awesome, I think I would have to rate it a 7. Just because my dislikes weren't really taken into consideration. So that kind of sucks, and also the pants just didn't fit me. And for the dollar amount that I spent, I would kind of, you know, assume that all the pieces would fit me right. But you guys, let me know which item was your favorite down in the comments down below. And if you have any other Depop sellers who also do mystery boxes, I want to buy some more because this is a really fun experience and low-key gets kind of addicting. So I want to see how other sellers would style me. I think it'd be pretty fun. But you guys, as always, I post videos twice a week. I'll see you guys next one. Bye!